If your Chevy Traverse just clicks and won't turn over, let's look at the most common culprits before you pay for a tow. Statistically, most no-start scenarios on this SUV boil down to simple electrical connections rather than major engine failure. Before you touch anything under the hood, we need to narrow down the source of the silence. Start by checking the battery voltage and inspecting your terminals for corrosion, which is a very common issue on these vehicles. Focus on the battery and the cables first, as these are easy to fix and account for the vast majority of failures. If the battery checks out, you might be dealing with a failing starter solenoid or a simple blown ignition fuse. Try the quick DIY fixes first, but if those fail, it is time to have a professional check the starter or the electrical control module. You can see that a simple battery or terminal repair is significantly cheaper than replacing a starter motor. If you have a scan tool, check for any stored codes, then perform a voltage drop test to ensure the starter is receiving full power. You only need a few basic tools like a multimeter and a wire brush to handle most of these electrical troubleshooting steps. Always remember to disconnect your negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work to prevent short circuits. Thanks for troubleshooting with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to keep your Traverse on the road.